The oceans are breathtaking, but beneath the surface, our coral reefs are in danger, threatened by pollution, overfishing, and climate change. Welcome to Sunplay's 4th annual CSR campaign, sending love and care to the ocean. This year, we're on a mission to restore coral reefs. Sunplay teamed up with Watsons and Reef Check Malaysia for reef conservation. We have successfully raised 40,000 ringgit to contribute to the restoration of marine ecosystems. We planted 400 coral fragments in the pristine waters of Tioman Island. This campaign is a testament to Sunplay's unwavering commitment to ocean conservation. We're passionate about spreading awareness of the critical need to protect our oceans. This year's campaign celebrates the launch of Sunplay's new Ultra Eco-Safe Lotion. This 100% physical sunscreen with Eco-Protect technology is ocean-friendly and offers a total protection against UVA, UVB, blue light and infrared light. Through Sunplay's Sending Love and Care to the Ocean campaign, we're dedicated to preserving the beauty and diversity of our oceans for generations to come.